Hey, I joined the Brackeys Game Jam, and so over the past few weeks, I've been making a game based on the theme, You Are Not Alone. My mind went straight to horror at first, so I went to a Google Doc to think about it. After a bit of complex scientific pondering, I decided I didn't have enough time to make a horror game, and so came upon the idea of making a lonely robot that I must help out by changing around the wires in his circuitry. I prototyped the idea by making the first level. The only problem was, I had no clue how to make wires, so it took a while to add them, and they kept breaking until I found out about line renderers, which made my life about 203 times easier. After that monstrosity was over, I did some art in Sprite, the main art software that I use, and after a while I had a robot moving around in a level. There are only a few problems with the game, such as having only one level, and being kind of buggy. So naturally, I decided to add a main menu, which to my defense looks pretty nice, and a level select screen that had more levels than the one I currently had. But that's a problem for future me.
That's a problem for future Homer. Man, I don't envy that guy.
By this time, the jam was almost over, so I rushed to upload the game to itch.io. A day later, the jam's over, and a bunch of people had given me some interesting feedback, such as, oh, maybe you should make more than one level. I had to make them challenge if I wanted a second level, so I made a crab. It took an embarrassingly long amount of time to make an enemy move back and forth and hurt the player. But now the pain is over, and if you want, you can check out the game I made in 1 week. Thanks for watching. See ya.